Happy birthday po. More birthday to come. More success and more blessings. Thank you po for making us inspired. Ikaw po ang isa naming idol. Popsters. Love you po. Sana kung pwede lang, sana po ako maging popsters talaga eh. Pero hindi ko po alam kung paano sumali. Sana po mapanood mo po to. Love you po. Take care always. More happy birthday. Love, love will keep us together. Think of me, babe, whenever. I'm still talking, girls come along, singing her song. Don't mess around, you gotta be strong, just stop. 'Cause I really love you, stop. I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart, tell that love keep us together. You, you belong to me now. Ain't gonna search you right now. When those girls start hanging around, talking me down, here with your heart, and you won't hear a sound. Just stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart, I'll let love keep us together. Whatever, young and beautiful. Someday you'll look so be gone when the others turn you off. Who'll be turning you on? I will, and I will be here to share forever. Love will keep us together. Said it before and I'll say it again while others pretend. I'll need you now and I'll need you then. Just stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop thinking of you. Look in my heart, I'll have love keep us together. Happy birthday, mwah, 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 mwah. Love you po. Be happy on your birthday. Love you po, you're number one in my heart. I'm Marilyn nga po pala. Thank you. Sana po panood mo to. Thank you. Love you.